Okay, so we just got to the zoo, and our first stop are the lions. Wait, can you see the lions? Am I showing them? There's like, well, there's one right there. Over there laying down. You see the lions, Kymir?
See? You don't see it. You looking at the water.
He's looking at the water.
Look at the lion over there.
He's just laying down, chilling. The other one up against. There's some big lions.
It looks like a boy and a girl.
What's it say?
Flamingo.
You see the flamingos? Yeah, flamingos. Oh, look at the squirrels getting really close to me. Okay, hey, you friendly? Don't jump in my baby stroller though. Come here. Babe, the squirrel's gonna jump in his stroller.
Man, these squirrels got down.
Come here.
Never comfortable.
Be so for real.
It's
Oh,
because people be eating.
it just almost let me touch it.
That's crazy. I ain't never been up this close to a squirrel before.
Me either.
See?
Oh my
That's how people
God.
be eating.
Yes.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
I don't got no food for you, but I got a Cheeto. You want a Cheeto? Babe, take my Cheeto out of my purse so I can feed it. Hurry.
Can I get something too?
Oh, look, it heard me. Now it's running.
Look, he trying to see what's going on.
Yeah, he sees it. Let me see. Here. Here. Oh, I don't know if you can eat it, but he gonna try. Look, he eating the Cheeto. Okay, that was the best experience. What is this? An Eastern bongo? Where? Oh yeah, he's over there. I see. There's another one right there.
Right now.
Yeah, there's another one right there.
They big. All these animals big.
Okay, y'all, so this is an Eastern bongo.
See the bongo?
Bongo sports a beautiful chestnut coat with striking vertical lines. They are cute. They stink though.
They big.
They hiding right now in the bushes. Yeah, they're hiding. Oh, look, there's one right here. Oh, there's more than one. But they're all on the other side. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I found 5. Oh, this one's staring at me. Oh, you see them, Kymir? Do you see you? Yeah. Oh, we're coming by some school people. So yeah, we just filming our day at the zoo. Oh, y'all see the bongo? Oh, y'all can't see it, but it looks like it's walking to me. Let's see, what's the next animal that we gonna see? What's the next animal you want to see?
Rhinoceros.
Well, let's see what's over here. Oh, this is the bongos. We just seen them. Oh, no, it's the zebras. Oh, but the zebras are that way.
Huh?
The zebras are that way.
Yeah, let's see what's over there.
Yeah, this way you can see a better view of the bongos. Here's the zebras. Y'all see the zebras? Look.
Oh, look at the birds in there.
You see the zebra? Okay. Ew, why are you just looking like that?
Big.
Some big rhinos. Imagine if you just got ran over by one. Oh, that deer share a cage with the rhino?
No, they ain't separate things.
That one's in the rhino yard though.
It do look like
It is. So is the other one next to it.
yeah, we got to walk on the wall.
Where?
We already on it.
I don't like that. Yo, I'm walking over the lake.
Yeah, roots are good.
Yo, we had to walk over this bridge that got like water. Don't drop my phone in the water. Y'all see the turtles? Chimera, you see the turtle, Chimera? You see the turtle? Rhino? Yeah, it's a big rhino. You see it?
See that tank?
Whoa, Chimera. Whoa.
You see him?
Do you see the rhino? Yeah. He said, wow.
The giraffes aren't out right now.
Wow. Yeah. Yo, look, the rhino's coming to me. Chimera, you making the rhinos come. Yo, Chimera's screaming and the rhinos are coming to him.
I'm so why rhinos were that big. I guess you don't remember.
Okay, we're gonna see. He's right here. Is he here? He's so content. Oh, the rhino almost slipped.
I wonder if
Yeah, look at it. It's eating. You see it eating?
each other. They're like, this is your side, this is my side.
I mean, she was over there. Oh, she coming.
Oh, I'm talking about them over there.
She walking over here.
The kudu.
Oh. It's not just the kudu. It's something else too, because that one got antlers.
The crown crane.
Oh, okay. That one's a crown crane.
No, all of that is kudu. It's just probably one is a male and one female.
So only the males, I know it's coming. You see it? Look at it, it's getting closer to us.
Hi. Sorry they doing this shit to you.
Oh, it actually came.
Coming up to the corner.
You ready?
Go ahead.
You're slimy. Oh, look at you. What about my feet? Oh my god, I'm so too fast. No, you're gonna beat me. See, you're just trying to bite me.
You know, they all want to be cat.
Oh, hi. I can touch you. No, I didn't even touch it. Oh, really? Ew, it's so slimy. I don't like how slimy it is. Ew. They just so slimy. Two fingers only.
That's definitely slimy.
Yeah, it's slimy and soft and smooth.
I don't know how I expected it to feel.
They want to be touched.
Look at that one.
I know, that's the one that scares me. We got some baby ones. But they all come and they like, touch me. Touch me. Whoa, Chimera, do you see the monkeys? Here, look. Stand up. You see the monkeys? Yeah, look at the monkey over there.
See it?
Look, that one just hanging out in the tree, under the tree, just... Oh, Chimera saw you. Oh, but it ain't coming to you. I wonder where the big one is at.
I mean, they see little kids all the time. They see people all the time.
Look, he's going over there to the glass. I'm going back over there. You want to go back over there?
You can walk away from
Oh, look. Chimera, look, they're coming to you, Chimera. Look, they're all three coming. Hey, look. Don't bang on the glass, okay? You gotta turn the other way. Hi. Oh, it's staring at me. I know, but it looked at me. It said, it made itself a little spot to sit on. It said, I'm not sitting on that dirt. Right. Look. That one said, I'm chilling under the tree. Oh, be careful, baby. You want to see it? Okay, it's right there. They look so sad.
Of course. When you don't have freedom, you look like these.
Hey. How you doing? You finna go bother the other one, huh? Oh no, come here. Hey! Ew. Oh.
Ew.
It was eating its boo.
That shit just ate it.
Come here, it's putting its booty in your face. I don't think they care. Oh, we're blocking the view. Oh my god.
That's just crazy. In real life, we would not be this comfortable getting this close.
I know, right? This glass barely protects us. He's like, I'm just chilling here, just relaxing. That one's just staring at us. You see it, Camille? You see it? Yeah. Look, it's sitting on some water bottles. What, you want down? Okay. Gotta be careful. Where? Oh, he over there. Oh, there's two over there.
Yeah, there's one where you look down. I could little view an area over there where y'all will be able to see him good.
Oh, okay.
Still today. Probably the baby right there.
Yeah. That's probably the mom over there. What, you think this one the mom?
I think that's the dude.
No.
Silverback.
Oh.
Yeah, he doesn't need it.
Yeah, these ones supposed to like equal.
It's just eating some hay. Hey, little fella. Can you look this way? Now I can say I've had a monkey. I meant a gorilla. Oh. Huh, you need to wipe your nose. Oh, Kymir. He said you too loud. The way it just picks up little things. Oh, he dropped his pacifier. Oh no, I think this one's a, yeah, I think this one's a girl. Yeah, she looked like she got, I got some food for you. You was just swimming, come on.
Oh, you're backing up now.
Come here, that makes me nervous.
Man, is it actually doing that shit? This shit must be lower than I'm thinking of it.
No, it's
drifting.
It's deep, but he's not touching the ground. He's floating.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
And when he moves his tail or his like things, that's how he moves. His body just. He got closer though. Look, he's moving. I think
You want to
he
look over here, shit.
wants to eat us. It's all chimera. And we said that he was going to be bait, and then he started moving. one ain't moved at all. Hey. Oh, you dry. The threatened species under the Endangered Species Act since 1978. Pine flatwoods, hardwood forests, moist hammocks. Ooh, it's slithering. You see it? I think this one's the same thing. You think it's close? He's just chilling. Oh, your face is so pretty. Oh, you done disturbed it. What are you supposed to do? Talk to it? Oh. Come here. You like it?
Come here.
See?
Come here.
Look at Daddy.
Come here.
We about to go.
Hey, if y'all want me to stop it, just let me know. I will. Come here.
Yeah, we about to go. Oh, exciting.
I'm sorry. You good?
Whoa. Ooh. Like it?
It's your first time riding on the carousel?
Look at his face.
You looking like, what's going on?
Oh, there you smile.
You having fun?
There's your smile. Whoa, mama getting dizzy. Yeah. It's okay, I got you. I'm holding you.
You right here.
Woo.
You having fun?
Yeah. I hope so. I'm gonna fall over.
I feel like a circus or something.
Whoa. Yeah, that's the horse hair. Whoa. It's stopping. Whoa. You have fun? Clap your hands. Say yay.